Welcome back to 10 Slide Info's Defense Update series. In today's video, we would be running through three updates on the defense side. The first one is regarding the new Chief of Defense Staff. Second one is regarding the Aeronautical Development Establishment working on high altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. The third update is regarding Bharat Electronics Limited offering tethered drones to Indian Air Force air bases. So let's see each update one by one in a detailed manner. We all know that in an unexpected helicopter crash, India's first Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat, and 12 other officers were killed on December 8 in Kunnur of Tamil Nadu. This crash has shaken the entire nation since it's a great loss for the Indian Defence Forces. The next vital step which is being taken is to fill in the post which has been left empty post the death of General Bipin Rawat. As per the Defence Forces, it is said that the Indian Army Chief General M.M. Narwane, being the senior most, has taken over as chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee. This is only a stopgap arrangement till the new CDS is appointed, and it is a procedural step that in the absence of a CDS, the senior most chief takes over as the chairman of Chiefs of Staff Committee. And that's the reason why M.M. Narwane is going to be taking in charge until a new officer is identified. Now coming to the next update, which is regarding the Aeronautical Development Establishment working on high altitude long endurance unmanned aerial vehicle. The Aeronautical Development Establishment has been cleared to design and develop India's first high altitude long endurance class UAV, which is a good news. As of now, not much updates has been revealed regarding this new upcoming high altitude long endurance UAV. According to some news sources, it is said that this new UAV resembles more like the Israeli Heron TP unmanned aerial system. Also, the new class UAV is expected to feature a high wing monoplane design with a more powerful engine. It would be having a satellite antenna which is integrated inside the fuselage, and a smaller internal payload bay will also be added to this particular UAV. These bays will also help in installing multiple payloads that may comprise electro-optical radar and electronic surveillance missions. Now coming to the third update, in which we'll see details about Bharat Electronics Limited offering the tethered drone to secure the Indian Air Force air bases. The public sector company Bharat Electronics Limited has offered their Hexacopter, which can carry an electro-optic payload to provide long detection ranges to secure the Indian Air Force bases. These tethered drones are powered by wire cables that enable it to fly for more hours to provide non-stop aerial reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. Such drones are used for situations where the required flight endurance is greater than that of a free-flying drone and only a minimal operating area is needed. Such drones, tethers, are normally made of lightweight synthetic materials to provide strength with copper and plated copper for power conduction, and also optical fiber for data and communications. Bharat Electronics Limited is also working to develop a Hexacopter-20, which is a medium altitude long endurance UAV capable of performing collaborative missions with other multicopters. So that was a quick video to provide details on three recent updates from the defense side. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.